Hello and welcome back to Ask the Hulk Show, episode number 28. Today I've got a question from Swati Saxena and she says, Hi Shrey, hope you're doing good. I did my Salesforce admin certification and I'm confused what to do next. I'm a non-technical person and I really like point and click tool. I would really appreciate if you can help me decide or pour some ideas. Thanks and regards. Okay. Swati, if you are someone who enjoys doing point and click work, but doesn't love to code or doesn't want to get into a role where there is some coding or logic building which is required, then I think you should figure out your options amongst being a Salesforce administrator. If there are opportunities out there in your area or in your region for Salesforce administrators, and if you do not have opportunities or options to be a Salesforce administrator, then I think you should prefer moving towards Marketing Cloud, because Marketing Cloud has got a little less coding and more point and click kind of work. So I think that's the way you can go ahead in order to build your career onto the Salesforce platform. The next question is from Sunil Bantwal, and I've got an email from him. He says, Hi Shrey, just saw your video when I went on to Google to check about Salesforce. I've been living in Toronto for the last 7 years and have a total experience of 25 years plus in sales in the Middle East and Canada. A friend suggested that I switch to a career in Salesforce as I have the knowledge about sales and marketing. I'm not sure how to do it as I don't know anything in IT. Was interesting to see some of your videos, how you answer questions, so thought of reaching out to you. Appreciate your advice on what should I do as I am bored of sales and also tired of chasing targets all the time. Can I become a Salesforce consultant? Or what else can I become by leveraging the vast experience in sales? Okay, so there are two questions that you have asked, Sunil. Number one, can I become a Salesforce consultant? So of course, you can become a Salesforce consultant, and the part to become a Salesforce consultant starts from being aware about the Salesforce administrator stuff and app builder stuff, basically the point and click tools which are required into Sales Cloud or Service Cloud. Onto the Salesforce platform, you need to learn how the point and click tools work and how you can leverage that in order to deliver a functionality for a particular business use case. And after being an administrator, getting some experience into it, you can move towards being a Salesforce consultant. As you have said in here that you are from Canada, there are enough opportunities for people who are from a non-technical background and who don't know how to code, but have got a good knowledge and understanding about businesses who want to be a Salesforce consultant. So even if you do not know coding, you can become a Salesforce consultant, considering that you live in Canada. And there are enough opportunities out there in Canada to become a Salesforce consultant without even knowing how to code onto the Salesforce platform. So yes, that is a path that you should aim your career into. And another question is, what else can I become by leveraging the vast experience in sales? So if you just want to leverage your experience into sales, I think it comes again to being a consultant. Whether you want to be a Salesforce consultant or some Marketing Cloud consultant or some other products consultant, but the experience that you have into sales gives you the capability and the knowledge which is required to understand any business use case which is out there, and the connections that you might already have while being into sales can also help you get a job of a Salesforce consultant out there in the market. So I think you're going on to the right direction, that is by becoming a Salesforce consultant, and the path for that looks like this, that you have to become a Salesforce administrator, and then later on you can move into your career by being a Salesforce consultant. The third question that I have is from Pratima Roy. She says, Hi Shrey, I follow your video on SFDC on YouTube. Really, it's very helpful for newcomers like me. Do you suggest me how I can improve my Salesforce knowledge? Thank you. Okay, so there's only one way to improve your Salesforce knowledge or any kind of knowledge, and that is by practicing it, by doing it day in, day out. And if you are already into a job which provides you enough opportunities and challenges to learn new things into Salesforce, or to learn new concepts of the Salesforce platform, then I think you should go all in into it, and that's the only way you can increase or you can improve your Salesforce knowledge. That's all about today. If you also have some questions related to Salesforce that you want to ask me, then all what you need to do is just shoot me a message on LinkedIn or write down a post on LinkedIn stating Ask the Hulk hashtag, or you can just write down an email to me on salesforcehulk@gmail.com. I'll be happy to answer all of your questions on Ask the Hulk show. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button over here with the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first one to get notified whenever we post a new video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.